What if we told you there's an animal with a four-headed reproductive organ? Welcome to Fast Animal Facts. Today, we're uncovering 5 of the most bizarre and rarely known creatures from around the globe. These animals aren't just unusual, they challenge what we think is possible in the animal kingdom. From iron-armored snails to frogs with see-through skin, prepare to be amazed. Let's start with the blobfish, infamous for its sad, sagging face. But here's the twist. It doesn't actually look like that in its natural habitat. Blobfish live at extreme depths, 600 to 1,200 meters, where pressure is up to 120 times greater than at sea level. Instead of using a swim bladder like most fish, they stay buoyant with gelatinous flesh that's slightly less dense than water. When brought to the surface by trawling nets, the sudden decompression causes their bodies to collapse into a floppy mess. Glass frogs live in Central and South American rainforests, often perched on leaves above streams. What sets them apart? Their skin is so translucent you can see their internal organs, including a beating heart, through their belly. Recent studies show that resting glass frogs increase transparency 2 to 3-fold by removing approximately 89% of their red blood cells from circulation and packing them within their liver. This adaptation enhances their camouflage, making them nearly invisible to predators. Found only in Madagascar, the satanic leaf-tailed gecko is a camouflage master. Its tail actually mimics a dead leaf, complete with fake bite marks and dark veins. It even flattens its body to reduce shadows, pretty much disappearing into the forest floor. These geckos are not only colored like leaves, but they also hang from branches just like them too. Meet the echidna, an egg-laying mammal that looks a bit like a hedgehog and, well, behaves quite a lot like an anteater. Native to Australia and New Guinea, these animals are one of only 2 types of monotremes, the other being the platypus. They use a long, sticky tongue which can reach up to 18 centimeters to lick up ants and termites at lightning speed. Even more impressive? They have electroreceptors in their snouts that help detect faint electrical signals from insect muscle movements in the soil, an ability mostly seen in aquatic animals like sharks. That's right, echidnas can sense prey through electrical cues even underground. You'd think an egg-laying mammal covered in spines would be weird enough, but echidnas keep getting stranger. Males have a 4-headed reproductive organ, though only 2 tips are used at a time during mating. Scientists still aren't exactly sure why, but it's one of the many features that make echidnas one of the most biologically unique mammals on Earth. This deep-sea marvel is like a creature from a sci-fi movie. Its shell is triple-layered, with shock-absorbing material and outer armor made of iron sulfide. Meet the scalyfoot snail. It lives near deep-sea hydrothermal vents, in a hostile environment with toxic chemicals and intense pressure, conditions that would destroy most life. The scalyfoot snail is the only known animal to incorporate iron sulfide into its skeleton, making it a truly unique subject of study. But what's even more fascinating? This snail doesn't eat in the traditional sense. Instead, it farms bacteria inside a specialized enlarged esophageal gland. These symbiotic microbes convert toxic chemicals from hydrothermal vents into energy through chemosynthesis, sustaining the snail from within. From frogs with invisible bellies to snails with steel armor, these animals are living proof that evolution never, ever runs out of ideas. They may seem strange, but each one plays a unique role in its ecosystem. They remind us just how diverse and bizarre life on Earth can be. So, which of these animals blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fast Animal Facts, your one-stop channel for the wildest creatures on the planet.